In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen on your iPhone 17. So whether you have a 17, a 17 Pro, or a 17 Pro Max, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your screen is black and the phone is unresponsive. Now all we need to do is go and perform a simple key combination. So we're just going to tap the volume up button, tap the volume down button, and then you need to hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of your phone. So let's go and do that now. We're going to tap the volume up, tap the volume down, and then hold down this lock screen button on the right hand side. And you need to keep holding this button down. You'll see the slider power off message pop up. Just go and ignore this and keep holding the button down. After about 10 seconds, the screen will go completely black, and you're going to continue to hold this button down until you see the Apple logo appear. As soon as you see the Apple logo, you can go and release your finger from the lock screen button. Your iPhone is then going to restart, and that's how to fix the black screen issue on the iPhone 17. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.